What is EverGrow Coin and why is it creating a buzz? Over the past few years, the cryptocurrency industry has experienced both enormous growth and a good bit of instability. With devastating losses still hurting so many people, investors are growing more and more hesitant to buy into the crypto industry. What will happen next knowing everything that's happening in the industry? In order to answer that question, this video will explore the EverGrow coin and how its development team is preparing it to become one of the top cryptocurrencies in this volatile industry. So let's dive right in. What's EverGrow Coin? EverGrow Coin is now one of the most popular stable reward tokens on the market. The coin conforms to the BEP20 standard, which means it's based on the Binance Smart Chain. Midway through July 2022, EverGrow Coin is trading at this amount, with a price prediction of this amount by the end of 2022, according to Digital Coin Prices forecast. But this cryptocurrency isn't exactly meant for trading. The unique feature of EverGrow is its integrated token reward system, which enables buyers to generate passive income in Binance USD even when the market is experiencing a downturn. Additionally, EverGrow Coin is a hyper-deflationary coin, which means that as time goes on, less of it will be available in the market. In principle, this means that the price of the remaining EverGrow coins will increase due to the shortage. The EverGrow coin generates a stable passive income for its holders through the token rewards mechanism that activates with every transaction. The token's contract charges a 14% transaction fee or each time an investor buys, sells, or trades the token. Similar to how a dividend in a traditional stock works, 8% of the fees return to the investors in the form of BUSD. By simply holding BUSD in a wallet, the token's value should generally remain consistent over time, even if the value of EverGrow Coin itself fluctuates. EverGrow is unique because it allows the founders and team to make an income and operate revenue through the same reward scheme as investors. EverGrow Coin chairman Sam Kelly has referred to it as a share in an ecosystem currency, which both the investors and the coin's founders share the same goals. But what makes it a suitable investment? Well, there's more than one reason for that. EverGrow's popular features. The features of the coin are designed with long-term goals in mind, and they are receiving support from a large segment of the DeFi crypto community. Sam Kelly has advised anyone considering investing in the project to adopt a strategy to hold on for 3 to 5 years to give you a good return on investment. Transparency, trust, community, and longevity serve as the main pillars of EverGrow. They are dedicated to creating a proper ecosystem for their holders and investors, which adds value to your investment in a lot of different ways. For one thing, due to rewards tokens earned on the Binance Smart Chain network, the EverGrow coin generates passive income for investors and holders. So no matter what the price of EverGrow coin is, 8% of every transaction generates BUSD. Plus, since the EverGrow coin is a hyper-deflationary coin, its passive growth has the potential to double your earnings even if it's closely linked to market volatility. It sounds impossible, but that's just how reward tokens work. Additionally, EverGrow has one of the most aggressive anti-whale systems in the DeFi crypto market, and that's a good thing since there isn't much anyone can do right now to avoid whales from quickly influencing the price of any cryptocurrency. Whales in the financial world are investors with more money than most. What these anti-whale systems do is they monitor and counter the behavior of crypto whales, who can use their wealth to manipulate market values by selling a large chunk of a cryptocurrency in one instant to spread fear and prompt investors to sell off their assets. Because once a large chunk of a currency goes missing, the value takes a nosedive. EverGrow developed an anti-whale system with recurring audits to prevent this from happening and EverGrow coin's value from plummeting like it did with Terra Luna. The fact that this coin's tokenomics work differently from those of many other platforms is a big reason why it's so popular. Not only can the project team profit from the same rewards as their investors, but these rewards are also designed to support long-term stability and expand the ecosystem for the coin, giving it value to users beyond its financial gains. EverGrow's future prospects. The main objective of EverGrow is to revolutionize the Web 3.0 passive income movement while elevating the EverGrow coin to a top 20 crypto project. Since its launch, the currency has evolved with over 57,000 followers on Twitter alone, over 137 holdings spread across several countries, and a lot of developments in the pipeline. Luna Sky, an NFT marketplace introduced by EverGrow in May 2022, will allow users to purchase, sell, and mint NFTs. Although this NFT market supports several chains, what makes it so exciting is that it also offers NFT loans to encourage more accessible liquidity in the NFT and DeFi arenas. The Luna Sky marketplace is one of a kind, and it even lets you borrow money using your NFTs as collateral, giving you another opportunity to generate passive income. This is similar to the reward token, which allows BUSD to accumulate passively by just keeping it in your wallet. Following that is EverGrow Meta. The EverGrow ecosystem is being brought together in a virtual reality world called EverGrow Meta that's being developed by Objective Reality, Abstract VR, and EverGrow. Soon, you'll be able to interact with other users and influencers on the creator platform, view Luna Sky NFTs in a 3D gallery, play VR games, and even shop in virtual stores. EverGrow Coin is based on an innovative idea as an investment tool. It's a difficult token to get though. It isn't listed on any of the major exchanges, and on top of that, the bunch of exchanges that it is available on are inaccessible to US citizens, with the exception of PancakeSwap. LBank, Bitmart, Coinsbit, and BitTrue are the 4 major exchanges where it's offered, as per our research. To that end, there's a chance this coin might not pick up unless it makes its way to either Binance or Coinbase. Additionally, the requirement to open a new account with a new exchange can be a huge barrier for a beginner. But if it's Coinbase you're interested in, click the link in the description to take your crypto skills to the next level and support the channel. Conclusion. The market's interest in algorithmic stablecoins is practically non-existent at this point thanks to the Terra Luna scandal, but the EverGrow coin has been created to address issues that have dogged coins like Terra Luna. Despite the market's overall volatility, EverGrow offers a variety of services that we've covered today, making it an attractive investment even if some investors are still afraid of making investments, particularly in stablecoins. The biggest factor that seems to be holding back EverGrow coin is that it hasn't fully taken off. But the team behind it has taken the necessary precautions to ease the worry of a rug pull, so there shouldn't be anything for you to worry about. The company has also gone above and beyond by disclosing all the relevant wallet addresses. Yes, this also applies to the project managers. The EverGrow Coin team is also active on Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. This provides some reassurance that all the important decisions would be disclosed ahead of time. EverGrow Coin appears to be a very exciting investment option right now, but there's still a risk that this craze will fizzle out. Additionally, the incentive schemes just don't generate as much interest without a growing user base. But that's where the future projects in the pipeline might truly pay off in the long run. Crypto Weekly Update. Moving on, let's give you guys a weekly update of what's happening in the crypto industry these days. A day after being chosen for the Walt Disney Company's benchmark business growth program, Polygon's price soared to new heights on July 14th. Its highest price in a month, Matic's price increased 22.5% to 0.65 cents on the dollar per token. Matic's upward movement seems to be similar with other temporary recovery movements seen everywhere in the cryptocurrency market, but Polygon outperformed the majority of its leading competitors, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. Polygon became the first blockchain platform to ever make Walt Disney's list when it was added to the benchmark business growth program. Due to this, Matic, Polygon's native utility and staking token, recovered more favorably than the majority of its competing digital assets. Meanwhile, Bitcoin found a new focus on the same day as Polygon made the list, at just under $20,000 as the strength of the US dollar blasted out yet another 2-decade high. The Bitcoin and US dollar pair took a jump above $20,000 before settling just below that psychologically significant level after briefly falling under $19,000. When it comes to altcoins, Ethereum might be returning to a 3-figure price range of around $600 to $700. After falling through support, which had been challenged 6 times in as many weeks, Cardano is in an even worse situation, suffering a worse decline in social sentiment than others thanks to a 69% drop in price in 2022. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Please also leave a comment below to tell us what you think about EverGrow Coin and the new weekly crypto update.